Spring, mangoes are in. They're so delicious, but seriously confusing to cut. So many people don't know how, and I'm gonna show you how. Mangoes are an oblong fruit. That's because that big stone pit that's in the middle runs that same way. You need to avoid it. So put the narrow end up, take your knife, always sharp. The most dangerous tool in your kitchen is a dull knife, just so everybody knows. Make sure you keep your fingers curled in and cut to one side of that pit. Bingo. And now cut to the other side of the pit. And you have successfully avoided the pits in here. We're going to get the rest of that fruit out. Never peel it. It's just going to be squishy. Lay it down, score your mango. So you're just making long lines like that. Keep your fingers out of the way. It's always a good idea. Go the other way because we're going to be making cubes. Now watch what happens. Cubed mango. It's fabulous.